Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the kitchen island lights. We're going to go ahead and unpackage it, show you guys what it looks like. Alright, it comes with the glass light globes. So this is what the globes look like. So be careful, they are made of glass. You get your mounting brackets. You get everything you need except the light bulbs. The light bulbs are not in here. So this is what it looks like. It says it takes E26, maximum of 60 watts. So you want to have 60 watts or less bulbs. Standard black and white wire for wiring it up. Nice metal construct. Overall, very nice.